Say hello to the xTool Heat Press, a 3-in-1 flexible crafting partner for your transfer projects. Experience smooth and precise temperature time control with its rotary knob. Put down your t-shirt, and just a moment. See how simple it is to add your pattern. Featuring 3 pressure levels, it effortlessly handles soft and hard materials. It deals with diverse materials easily. Even your largest blanket can now be customized. No biggie, it's so easy. Enabling 30% faster heating and uniform temperature, this heat press guarantees every print is perfect and impressive. Higher projects also made effortless under handheld mode. Store your go-to parameters as presettings for quick access. Share your presettings with MiniPress, and your most used settings are always just a tap away. A simple press creates a one-of-a-kind doll. MiniPress can also accurately control temperature for various projects. Go create the life you love. Experience the joy as the versatile xTool Heat Press brings vibrant color to your daily life. Simple steps, vibrant results. Brighten your everyday moments with xTool Heat Press.